Hi, this is Sheldon here from the Currency Advisory Desk with today's report. Well, Asian markets opened lower today as we saw some profit booking in the S&P 500, which retreated from its all-time highs to close at 1545.80, which was down by 0.83 percentage points. Now, the US dollar index has also shared some gains and is presently trading at 82.86. Now, there's not much happening on the domestic front today. We have in the news that the RBI will repurchase government bonds worth 100 billion rupees today. However, the upside in the dollar may be capped due to a stake sale of 5.8% in Steel Authority of India by the government today. Now, this sale is expected to fetch around 16 billion rupees. So we have seen the US dollar rupee pair moving in the range of 54 to 54.45 for the past couple of trading sessions. Now, we expect this trend to continue. Internationally, it has been the same Cyprus story that's moving the markets. The latest development being the March 25th deadline set by the European Central Bank for Cyprus to accept its terms. Now, we expect the euro dollar to move on the news flows coming out of Cyprus today. Now, we saw the euro hit a low of 1.2880 against the dollar in yesterday's trading session. Now, to add to its woes, we had some weak fundamental data from the Eurozone by the German and French services PMIs, which came in yesterday, and they came in lower. The Eurozone as a whole, the whole Eurozone PMI, the service PMI came in at 46.5 versus an expectation of 48.2, and the manufacturing PMI also came in lower at 46.6 versus an expectation of 48.2. Now, while the latest developments add fuel to the rumors of a Eurozone breakup, the way we see it is that until and unless the southern European countries do not get their deficits in proper order, there isn't much hope for the Eurozone. Now, around a week back, nobody thought of Cyprus more than a holiday destination. But now, we are seeing that Cyprus is, there's so much of market movement due to this small particular country and to the trivial debt that they have. So, till we don't actually see these peripheral countries coming out of their problems, we don't expect a long-term or don't foresee a long-term correction in the Eurozone as such. Now, in rupee terms, traders can short sell the euro-rupee pair, and in fact we advise our traders to hold their short positions in the euro-dollar pair also. For the rupee, you can go ahead and short sell it at around 70.15 to 70.20 levels, the euro that is. Now, we had a huge positive deviation in retail sales figures of the United Kingdom, which came in at 2.1% versus a negative 0.7%. Now, this went down well with the markets also, as the pound appreciated by more than half a percentage to hit a high of 1.5210 against the dollar during yesterday's trading session. Now, with the negative bias gaining threshold in the Eurozone, we expect the pound to appreciate further against the dollar to around 1.5280 levels. In rupee terms, traders can go long in the pound-rupee pair at around 82.40 to 82.45 in the spot, that is. Now, with a change of guard at the Bank of Japan, the new governor, Mr. Kuroda, has already begun his verbal intervention by stating that the quantitative easing program will include a wider range of assets. Now, we had seen the yen strengthen against the US dollar in the last few trading sessions. Primarily what was happening was, there was a dollar-yen carry trade that was going on, wherein due to the safe haven demand resurfacing, traders are looking for another alternative for the dollar, which is the yen. But what we feel, however, right now is that there's going to be a trend reversal, and we can see the yen moving back to around 95 levels. The yen will weaken to around 95 levels against the US dollar. In rupee terms, traders can go long in the yen-rupee pair at around 57 levels in the spot. Well, that's it from the Currency Advisory Desk. Thank you.